Why am I still hungry?
Because you're watching football. The whole game is basically an elaborate scheme to make you buy more food, and it's working.
What are you talking about?
Dude, think about it. Turnovers, pancake blocks, scrambles. Oh, I just scored. Feed me more.
Come on, McConaughey.
Come on, McCaffrey. Julius Peppers, man. CJ Ham. Slather on some Gerard mayo and you got yourself a sandwich. Refrigerator Perry was not his real name.
You're being serious.
Yeah, they got you where they want you.
I don't think football's trying to sell you food.
Really? Come on, man. Can you go to Stanford?
I really don't
And what are you eating, Jerry?
Rice.
Jerry's eating rice. Huh.
Game day deals only on Uber Eats.